To brew an apple cider, what you need as the ingredients are water, apple juice, yeast and yeast nutrient. We'd better use concentrated apple juice instead of NFC juice. It's safe and convenient ingredient. There are different concentrations of apple juice on the market. Before brewing, it is necessary to check the total carbohydrate on nutrition facts, because we finally need 11 bricks apple juice to brew a cider. Like this concentrated apple juice, it is 68.4 bricks. We need to use 6 times of water to reduce it to 11 bricks. So, the brewing water can be around 3.6 kilograms and the apple juice is 0.6 kilogram. Lastly, we need to add 1.5 grams of yeast and yeast nutrient each. Yeast nutrients can supplement the amino nitrogen which lacking in juice for yeast to help them with growth. Certainly, we can choose different juice to combo with apple juice for making a flavoring cider.
Or we can totally use other fruit juice instead of apple juice to make another fruit beer. Igulu S1 has a built-in program for cider. We can just click to select and start brewing.